In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on eBay. We'll walk through a simple flow: choosing your item, heading to checkout with Buy It Now, adding a new card, and entering the details you'll use with Klarna. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and what to look out for so your payment goes through smoothly. First, head to eBay and select the product you want. Take a moment to read the full description, check the condition, shipping costs, and estimated delivery dates. It's also a good idea to glance at seller feedback and return policies so there are no surprises later. If sizes, specs, or compatibilities matter, confirm those before you move on. When you're confident this is the right item at the right price, you're ready for checkout. Next, click Buy It Now. This sends you straight to the checkout page instead of keeping the item in your cart. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now. Confirm your shipping address and delivery option, and review the order summary so you can see the total with taxes and shipping included. This is a good time to make sure your purchase amount fits within your Klarna spending limits and any minimums that may apply in your region. On the payment section, choose Add New Card. eBay often processes Klarna payments using a card method, which means you'll add card details provided by Klarna rather than selecting a separate wallet at this step. Availability can vary by country and by item category. So if you see Klarna presented in a different way on your account, the card approach still works the same in checkout. Now add your card details. Enter the cardholder name, the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown by Klarna, and make sure the billing address matches what Klarna has on file. If eBay offers to save the card for next time, you can choose what's most convenient for you. Double check the order total one more time. For security, avoid public Wi-Fi and be ready to complete any verification prompts. Those quick checks help keep your account safe. If anything doesn't go through, verify your Klarna limit, confirm the billing address, and try again. Once your card information is accepted and selected as the payment method, you're set to complete checkout. You should receive order confirmation from eBay and a payment schedule or confirmation from Klarna. Keep those messages handy until your item arrives. That's it. Select your item, use Buy It Now, add a new card, and enter your Klarna details. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.